If you're also looking forward to one of the most customizable custom ROM that is also updated with some new features and of course with the new security patch, we have Project Infinity X. I made a video already, although this is also available in the form of Android 15, but I'll make a video soon on that version. For now, this is the new update based on Android 15, but let's find out some of the great things about this new update. First of all, because this is one of the most customizable custom ROMs, let's take a look at some of the customizations or features in the default launcher. You can see we have the corner radius option available in the home screen search bar options. What that does, you can see at the bottom the Google search bar. You can customize this radius, this corner radius, and including this one, we have a lot of extra options available, including recents panel where you have a lot of quick actions. You can choose any one of them or you can choose all of them on your recents panel, in your recents panel basically. And yes, as expectedly, there are a lot of customizations and features available with the default launcher. As you can see, we have the clear all button, we have the Google Lens, screenshot, kill app or basically lock, etc, etc. Taking a look at the quick settings panel. Yes, this custom ROM brings you this Oxygen OS style quick settings panel, which definitely could be up to you. If you love this thing, you want to enable this thing, you can. If you don't like this thing, if you don't want to use this thing, you can disable this thing. That is a good thing. You have the option available in the quick setting tiles option. So you can enable this Oxygen OS style quick settings panel or you can simply disable this thing. By default, it's already disabled, but in case you want to enable it, you can. Also, it has the option to enable the Android 11 style quick settings panel or simply using the default one. So that is a good thing because this is one of the most customizable custom ROMs. So you expect these kind of things to be included in a custom ROM. Including this one, let me show you one more thing. If you click on this one, which is called random wallpaper, this is a settings header image, you can say. And yes, with this new update, we have the option to customize this thing. You have the option to choose a random wallpaper. You also have the option to adjust the blur, adjust the wallpaper dim, and a lot more extra things. So go and explore this thing. One thing which I always missed after using this custom ROM to show you the latest videos, which I made on Project Infinity X, is about this power menu. I always miss this thing unfortunately, but this time I'll not. As you can see, we have the different sort of power menu and definitely it looks amazing one. It's totally up to you if you love this thing or not, but yes, it looks good. Also, one thing which is so good in this one is in the notification section named as notification cooldown. I did not found this feature yet on other custom ROMs. Maybe it's the part of this one, or maybe if it is available in your custom ROM, let me know in the comment box. I'll try to find it and let you know how the things are going on. Take a look at some of the apps options. You will find cloned apps feature. It's present, and yes, as I already mentioned you that this is a different feature as compared to the parallel space. That is a different one. And yes, if parallel space was to be included would be a great deal, but for now what we have is this is app cloner. Not bad, I mean it's there, so you can use this thing in case you want to. In the security and privacy options, in more security and privacy options, you will find some options like we have app lock. Other than else, everything is just simple and you already know the rest of things. But if you take a look at this app lock, it's there. It was expected. So which means if you want to change the default launcher, you can. If you want to use the Pixel launcher, if you want to use any other launcher, don't worry, app lock will stay there. Including this one, take a look at the lock screen customizations. Lock screen is quite similar as compared to some of the other custom ROMs. We have widgets, etc. But you can see this blur intensity behind these widgets, and this looks interesting one actually. If you take a look at these lock screen customizations, you have the option to choose the custom clock styles, and there are many options available for you. For example, if you want to choose a fluid style, if you want to choose this, if you want to choose that, there are a lot of options available for the users who love to do customizations with the lock screen. As you can see, there are a lot of options available for you. We have charging animation option, we have the charging info related options, and a lot more extra things. These are the customizations, and if you take a look at all these customizations or features, there are a lot. Even in the miscellaneous options, you will find some spoofing options, some security bypass options, and these options are so good. Like you have the no storage restrict, you also have the hide screen capture status, you also have the application downgrade options, storage encryption spoofing, and also some spoofing options already there. things are looking quite amazing ones. So if you want to try it out on a device, you can. As I just told you, it's available officially and unofficially. So this is not a private source. It is available unofficially for some of the users. It is available officially for some of the devices. And Android 15 is also coming very soon. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.